Do you sometimes feel like not good enough? And to take it even further, sometimes it can feel like you're not young enough. Maybe you feel like you're not smart enough, strong enough. I remember those feelings so clearly. Years ago, I was a beauty and style reporter for a CBS station in Tampa. At the same time, I was a celebrity makeup artist working in television, movies, and film. So I was a pretty busy lady. This woman gets in front of the room who was leading this workshop, and she said, "Who are you?" And then she said, "What do you love to do?" And I'm thinking, are you kidding me? Is this woman on crack? I'm so busy taking care of everybody else. And then she's like, what are your values? What are your dreams? What are your passions? And I stood there thinking, what the hell happened to my life? From the outside looking in, my life seemed perfect. I had 3 beautiful children. I also was in a marriage. It was a very toxic relationship. I was exhausted from trying to keep that facade of having this perfect life. It was time to start living according to who I am, what I wanted. And I, at the time, had no idea. And then I got a call from my best friend who told me she was diagnosed with stage 4 cancer and only had 6 months to live. And I thought, oh my God, what if I only had 6 months to live? Would any of this stuff matter? I knew deep down inside that I could create any life I wanted. I just had to do the inner work to transform my life. I'll admit it, it wasn't easy at first, but with baby steps, I focused on doing the work I had to do to get there. And then came the outer transformation. So now I am equal parts celebrity makeup artist, beauty expert, transformational coach, and I am passionate about you. As a transformation coach, I challenge you to reclaim your dreams and passions and help you rediscover who you are. Then as a celebrity makeup artist and beauty expert, I work with you on how to reveal that uniquely radiant woman to the world.
Michelle, it's really good at getting people unstuck.
I needed to step back and look at myself and see why I wasn't moving forward. And that's really been what's helping me to take better steps.
I don't think I have ever taken the time out to dream big like that. And if you don't have your destination, how are you going to get there?
I described to Michelle that I really wanted to get some coaching just so I could find myself again. Literally, I went into what I would call robot mode, where I woke up and I did what I had to do, and I went to bed and I did it day after day after day and lost myself. Let's face it, life throws curveballs, and sometimes we just need a little bit of support to get through that hump.
Even if you're not stuck, it'll take you to a different level in your life regardless.
Beauty isn't a size. It's not a specific look or a certain age. Beauty is an attitude, and you're going to learn new ways of relating to how you feel about yourself and the aging process. You're going to release that guilt, fear, and shame that you used to have. It's going to be gone when you look in the mirror. And you may even find that you start to lose weight effortlessly because you start to love who you already are. You're naturally going to live a healthier lifestyle, and you're going to feel more self-confident, and you're going to feel courageously bold in pursuing your dreams. If you're ready to shine and experience the life you truly desire, join me, where I coach you step by step through the process I used to radically change my own life, as well as transform the lives of hundreds of women just like you and me.